Good morning. It's time for your morning makeover. Whoa. How's everybody doing? I am running out today, like usual. Nothing new. But I wanted to come on here before I headed out to see how everyone is doing. I was watching the news this morning and it is so scary. Oh my goodness. I'm like, about this whole virus. It's getting a little bit scary to me. You know, I sometimes believe that the media kind of blows everything up, and I even heard a doctor say, there's been more cases of the flu that killed people, blah, blah, blah. But now it's starting to get a little bit scary. So I kind of put it outside of my head because I don't like to worry about things that I can't control. So yesterday I was introducing you guys to some foundation pieces, and a lot of people inboxed me about these. So I think I'm going to sample that today because people wanted to see what the orange did. So I'm just going to do this for you guys really quick. What it does is it brightens your skin, especially if you have dark circles. So I know that looks really weird right there, but it really does. Good morning. Good morning, Eileen. Arlene. So anywhere you want brightness, you just put it right underneath, and then you could put your foundation on top. Today I'm going to use my custom. Yesterday I introduced you guys. Well, no, yesterday I wore the illuminating foundation. So today I'm going to wear, I dropped the brush. Today I'm going to wear the other one, the matte. So this one is almond. It's kind of a little light for me. It's normally like my foundation that I use just to kind of highlight, but I'm going to wear it today anyway. So that's kind of what it looks like, the orange. It just brightens your face. And then you can take the other cream, which would be like, this one is more neutral. This one has gold in it. So I'm going to take the neutral one and use it as a foundation today so you can see how it works. And then I'll put the almond on top of that so you can see it. I'm just going to use this cream foundation. It's super, super flawless. It's great for medium to dark skin. There. So today's going to be a very, you ever have like a day that you know you got a lot to do? Good morning, Ashley. You know, you got a lot to do, and if you've been anticipating this day because you need this day to you just need to move on from this day. That's my day today. I just need to move on from this day. You know, I can't make no other moves until this day is over. That's where I am with this day. Look how nice the coverage. This stuff is really, really nice. And then the other one, where'd it go? Just had it. Oh, this is for light skin. So the, I mentioned it yesterday. The green is if you have any red spots. Like let's say, good morning, Maria. Let's say like a pimple or whatever. You could put that on there. The purple will brighten. So will the yellows. So anything that's, you know how anything that's kind of like yellow, too yellow, this will brighten. And then the yellow ones will cancel out like almost like a bruising color. You know, sometimes you got to look at your dark circles really good. Sometimes they have like a purple undertone. Sometimes they have like a red undertone. So that's how you know which one of these to use. And I can explain that further to you if you decide that you really want to try one of those. I'm going to jump right to my eyebrows. Hello, hello. What's up, cuz? How are you? Good morning, Ashley. How you doing, my precious? So I also wanted to share a quick little tip with you guys that I did this morning, but I didn't want to blow dry my hair on here because that would be too loud. So it's time for me to wash my hair, but I didn't have time. So I did this little trick. I take this piece and I just wash this and condition it and blow dry it so it's nice and fresh in the front. See? And then tomorrow, because I go to the shop tomorrow, I will blow dry this and do what I need to do. Good tip? Skanky tip? Hey, a sister got to do what she got to do. She got to do. Hey, Veronica. How are you, honey? Good morning. Thank you for watching. What are you guys doing up so early? I guess everybody's going to work. I got to go to the city, go handle this business real quick so I can get on with my life. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, party people. So I'm doing my eyebrows again. I show you this every morning. Put a line underneath and a line on top. Fill it in. And go to the light, this little light portion, this little light, I wonder, no, it doesn't have any names. I just use the lighter color to fill in the front so it doesn't look so like harsh. Sometimes I see people's eyebrows and it looks like they took a Sharpie to it. So, good morning, Carmen, good morning. So again, I'm not doing eyeliner. I'm not doing eyes because I'm gonna, where's that foundation? Because I'm just leaving it natural today, but I'm gonna show you what this looks like. I already put the orange on. I'm using the rest of the foundation, the cream foundation. I did that. So I'm gonna put this is the matte. You see how it's shiny right now? So we're gonna matte it down. So this is the matte color. So you just wanna get it down there. I'm not gonna put concealer on because this is gonna be my concealer today. You see, when you put the foundation on top, it just makes it nice and bright. That's what the orange is for. So for some of you that were asking, that's what it's for. Now I'm matting. I'm using this matte color. So I'm gonna kind of be matte foundation. It's more like a powder. I hate to use the word matte. It's more like a powder look. It goes on like a cream, dries like a powder. That's basically what it is. But personally, I still put powder on top because powder seals it. All right. Whatever's left on the brush, I put on my forehead because I like my forehead to look like it doesn't have makeup on. So that's that. Do my eyebrows. And I'm going to introduce you to, if you haven't seen it, this is our translucent loose powder. Look how big it is. It's gigantic. I like it because it has a little shimmer to it. So just going to take that little bit that's right there on the top. I need to find my fluffy brush. Here it is. Just swirl it around. Swirl it around in the cap. And just tap. Just like that. Good morning. Good morning, Carmen. There we go. Nice and light. Nice and flawless. And then, of course, you're 10 years younger. If you haven't tried this yet, guys, today, this month, I'm giving you guys 15% off. You guys need to try 10 years younger. It really does set your makeup in place. You don't have to worry about it. It just stays right there all day till you come home. Till you come home and wash it off. I'm going to use from the eyebrow kit. I'm going to put this right underneath of my eyes just to give me a little color because I'm not wearing eyeliner. I did this yesterday. And I got a couple people inbox me like, oh my God, that's a great idea without having to wear like black eyeliner every day. Then I like to fill in this little corner right here to give me a nice little soft eye lift. I just do it like a little V. And just fill in this little corner. Good morning, good morning. Let's see who's on here. Say hello. Don't be a stalker. All right, that's that. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. Yesterday I wore this peach beige. Let's see what else we have. I don't have to show you the same stuff over and over. Today I'm wearing like a gray and pink sweater. So let's try this pinky one. It's called Naughty. Oh, appropriate. Let's be naughty. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this blush. So the idea and the purpose that I come on here every day is that I gotta get ready every day anyway, and I gotta put my makeup on anyway. And because I'm a beauty advisor, and not just in makeup, but in skin and also in nutrition. And even if you needed advice with like a dress, some jewelry, you know, putting something together for a special event, inbox me. I'd love to. That's what I do. I'm a beauty advisor. And because that's what I do, I'm here for you. So you just let me know what you need. And if I gotta get dressed every day, I might as well share it with you, right? And show you what I use. But most importantly, the purpose, honestly, this is my highlighter. This is Goddess. This is the one that I use. The purpose is to show you how fast I do my makeup in the morning. Because some people are like, I don't have time for that because of the videos that you're watching on YouTube. They're either on fast forward or they're taking 30, 45 minutes to do a look. So I'm going to use this Like Very Pretty, like that's the name, Like Very Pretty lipstick today. Hi friends, how are you? I'm great. How are you? Thank you for watching. Let me I got a little carried away with this one. Hold on, let me soften this. So my point is that the average woman doesn't have 45 minutes in the morning, especially if they have children, to do all of this. So my goal is to teach you my little tips and tricks on how to do this quickly, but still look appropriate. I always have time for makeup. See, some people do. Some people have massive time for makeup, but some people got kids hanging off of them, school buses to catch, got to get to work, got to make their husband's lunch, he can't find his socks, you know? So that's why I do my morning makeovers, to show you that you can still be fabulous even though you got all of these things going on. So this one is called the Like Pretty. It comes in the kit. Let me show you. It comes with this, and it comes in this pretty box. Love, love, love. There we go. I've been selling these like crazy because I'm giving you guys 15% off till the end of the month. So don't sleep on that, party people. Put a little this berry. Look how pretty. It's pretty. It's not quite like guava that I wore yesterday, which was a really light pink. I call that my Jersey girl pink. This is pink, but it's soft. It's almost like between fuchsia and mauve. Thank you, Maria. When you see Alvin, give him a kiss for me. I haven't seen him yet. Just been cray-cray. So, but I've talked to him on the internet. All right, my love. So that's what I wore today. Remember, everything is 15% off. So anything that I've shown you all week and all month long, anything that you're interested in, let me know. And I'm going to send you, I'm going to put in here the link for my digital catalog. There's no more paper catalogs, which is awesome. How do we order? Do you have an online store? I do. I was just talking about that. I have a digital catalog. I'm going to put the link down in here. But if you want the 15% off, you have to order it through me. Yes, it is a set. It's a lipstick set. We have it in red, burgundy. I'll show you them all. We have a deeper like plum. We have a red. Called Truth Hurts. This one is called Berry Shady. I like the name of that. And this one is called Dare to Bear for people that like that nude look. And their lip kits, they're $29.95, but I'm giving away 15% to, so if you're interested, inbox me so I can give you the 15%. I'll take your first order. You just pay it PayPal. I'll send it to you. Make sure you get it. And then from there, you can just use the digital catalog to place all your orders. But the first order, I give you 15%. Also, the digital catalog is cool because you can see everything that I have. And then, except for the nutrition, I have to send you another link for the nutrition, but all the skincare and all the makeup is on there. And then you can literally, let's say you see something you like, you click on it, it takes you to my website and you can purchase it right there. But for now, for the 15% off, just inbox me exactly what, look at the digital catalog, figure out what you want, inbox me, and I give you 15% off of everything, all right? Love you guys. I gotta head out. Have a great day. I am going to put the link down in here right now. And I will see you guys later. Remember, you're the only one responsible for your happiness. So make sure you wake up and you be happy on purpose. All right? I'll put my mascara on in the traffic. And I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, keep me in prayer. Keep me in prayer, sisters. For today. All right? Or for every day. But today especially. Love you guys. Bye.